The new AI campus will be built in Abu Dhabi. It will cover 10 square miles of land. This is a very big area, like a small city. The campus will use 5 gigawatts of power. This is enough power to run many computers that help AI work. Abu Dhabi state-backed firm G42 will build this campus. The campus will be home to many U.S. tech companies. These companies will work on AI projects there. The deal between UAE and U.S. makes this possible. Without this deal, the UAE could not get the special computer chips needed for AI work. The campus will help many countries in the area use AI. It will serve places within 2,000 miles of the campus. The U.S. Commerce Department says this will be the largest outside of the U.S. The campus can fit many data centers. Data centers are big buildings full of computers that run AI programs. These centers need a lot of electricity to work. That is why the 5 gigawatt power supply is so important. The campus will let UAE become a leader in AI technology. It will create many new jobs and bring in money. It will also help UAE work with top U.S. tech firms. This deal is very big news because it changes how UAE and U.S. work together on tech. Before this deal, UAE could not easily get advanced AI chips from the U.S. This was because the U.S. was worried about UAE's ties with China. The U.S. thought China might get access to its special tech. Now, with this new deal, UAE can get these chips. The deal says UAE can import 500,000 of NVIDIA's best AI chips each year starting in 2025. This is a huge change. It shows that the Trump administration trusts that these chips can be used safely in UAE. The deal is also big because it means a lot of money. Over $200 billion in total deals between U.S. and UAE. Part of these deals includes $14.5 billion between Boeing, GE Aerospace, and Etihad Airways. This campus will help UAE become a global AI player. UAE has been spending billions to reach this goal. The deal is also special because it is the first time such a large AI project is being built outside the U.S. with U.S. approval. This marks a new chapter in how countries share advanced technology. It shows that UAE is now seen as a trusted partner for high-tech projects. The new AI campus in Abu Dhabi will be very big. It will cover 10 square miles of land. To understand how big this is, think about a small town. The campus will need a lot of power to run all its computers. It will use 5 gigawatts of electricity. This is a huge amount of power. One expert named Lennerheim from RAND Corporation said on social media that this campus will be bigger than all other major AI infrastructure announcements we've seen so far. With this much power, the campus could run about 2.5 million of NVIDIA's top B200 chips. These chips are special computers that help AI think and learn. Think of each chip as a very smart brain for computers. Having millions of these chips working together is what makes this campus so special. No other place outside the U.S. will have this many AI chips working together. The campus will have many big buildings called data centers. These are like factories for computer thinking. Inside these buildings will be rows and rows of computers all working together. They make a lot of heat, so they need special cooling systems. The campus will be so powerful that it can serve countries within 2,000 miles of Abu Dhabi. This means it will help many countries in Africa, the Middle East, and parts of Asia with AI work. The AI campus will bring a lot of money to UAE. The total deals between UAE and U.S. are worth over $200 billion. This is a very big amount of money. The campus will create many new jobs. People will be needed to build the campus. Then more people will be needed to work at the campus. Some jobs will be for tech experts who know how to work with AI. Other jobs will be for people who keep the buildings running well. The campus will help UAE's economy grow in new ways. Right now, UAE makes most of its money from oil, but oil will not last forever. The AI campus helps UAE make money in new ways. It will bring in money from tech companies that want to use the campus. It will also help UAE learn more about tech and AI. This knowledge can help start new businesses. The campus might also bring in more schools and training places to teach people about AI. For example, Dubai, another city in UAE, already started an AI academy to teach 10,000 people about AI. The campus will also help other businesses in UAE. Hotels, restaurants, and shops will get more customers when people come to work at or visit the campus. Transport companies will have more work moving things to and from the campus. The AI campus is part of UAE's plan to become a leader in new tech, not just oil. The AI campus will work in a special way. U.S. companies will run the data centers on the campus. This is an important part of the deal. It helps make sure the tech stays safe. These U.S. companies will offer American-managed cloud services to the whole area. Cloud services let people use powerful computers over the internet. The campus will have many buildings full of computers. These computers will run AI programs that can learn and think in some ways like people. They can look at huge amounts of information and find patterns. They can also create new text, pictures, and videos. The campus will work with many U.S. tech companies. These companies will bring their best AI tech to UAE. NVIDIA, a company that makes special AI chips, is part of this plan. Jensen Huang, the boss of NVIDIA, was seen talking with President Trump and UAE President Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan in Abu Dhabi. The campus will help run AI services for many countries in the area. It is designed to serve the global south, which means countries in Africa, Middle East, and parts of Asia. Companies and governments in these places can use the AI services from this campus without having to build their own big computer centers. This saves them a lot of money and helps them use AI sooner. Before this deal, the U.S. was worried about UAE's links with China. China is UAE's biggest trading partner. The U.S. thought that if UAE got advanced AI chips, China might get them too. Under President Biden, UAE had limits on getting U.S. chips because of these worries. Biden's team thought the tech might not be safe in UAE. They worried the tech could be sent to China or used in ways the U.S. did not want. But the Trump team feels different. They think the chips can be kept safe if U.S. companies run the data centers. The New Deal has rules to stop the chips from going to other countries. The White House said the deal has strong protections to prevent the diversion of U.S. origin technology. This means there are plans to make sure the tech stays where it should. The deal shows that UAE has worked hard to prove it can be trusted with advanced tech. It has promised to follow U.S. rules about keeping the tech safe. UAE has also agreed to further align their national security regulations with the United States. This means they will change some of their rules to match what the U.S. wants. This has helped UAE get this big AI deal that it wanted for a long time. The deal is a major win for the UAE because it can now get the tech it needs while keeping good ties with both the U.S. and China. Many big tech companies will be part of the new AI campus. NVIDIA, which makes the best AI chips, will supply many chips to the campus. Jensen Huang, who runs NVIDIA, was seen talking with the presidents of both countries. Qualcomm, another big tech company, will work on an AI-related engineering center. This center will help create new AI tech. Amazon Web Services, AWS, which is part of Amazon, will also join the campus. AWS will work with local partners on cybersecurity. Cybersecurity means keeping computer systems safe from attacks. AWS will also help more companies in the area use cloud computing. Cloud computing lets people use powerful computers over the internet without owning them. Boeing, GE Aerospace, and Etihad Airways have made a deal worth $14.5 billion as part of the larger agreement. While this might not be directly about the AI campus, it shows how U.S. and UAE are working together more on tech and business. Abu Dhabi's G42 company will build the campus. G42 is backed by the UAE government and works on AI projects. U.S. tech companies will run the data centers on the campus, not UAE companies. This helps make sure the tech is used safely. These companies will bring jobs, knowledge, and new tech to UAE. They will help UAE become a leader in AI. UAE has big plans to become a leader in AI. The new campus is a key part of these plans. UAE has been spending billions of dollars in a push to become a global AI player. They want to move away from just making money from oil. They see AI as a way to grow their economy in new ways. The AI campus in Abu Dhabi is not the only AI project in UAE. Dubai, another city in UAE, has started its own AI programs. In April 2025, Dubai launched the Dubai AI Academy. This school will teach 10,000 people about AI. The academy is part of the Dubai AI campus, which is the largest dedicated cluster of AI and advanced technology companies in the region. Dubai's leader, Sheikh Hamdan, said, "Dubai will be the destination of choice for those who are seeking to lead the future of artificial intelligence." The Dubai AI Academy works with famous schools like Oxford University and companies like Udacity. UAE wants to use AI in many parts of life and work. They want to use it in government, schools, hospitals, and businesses. The new Abu Dhabi AI campus will help with this goal. It will give UAE access to the best AI tech and experts. It will help UAE learn more about AI and create new AI tools. UAE sees AI as a way to solve problems, create jobs, and grow its economy in the future. The deal between UAE and US has many rules to keep the AI tech safe. The UAE has promised to further align their national security regulations with the United States. This means they will change some of their rules to match what the U.S. wants. The deal includes strong protections to prevent the diversion of U.S. origin technology. This means there are plans to stop the tech from going to countries that should not have it. One important safety rule is that U.S. companies will run the data centers, not UAE companies. This gives the U.S. more control over how the tech is used. Amazon Web Services will work on cybersecurity with local partners. Cybersecurity means keeping computer systems safe from hackers and attacks. The U.S. is worried about China getting access to its AI tech. That is why these safety rules are so important. The rules help make sure the tech stays where it should. The deal also says that UAE must invest in, build, or finance U.S. data centers that are at least as large and as powerful as those in the UAE. This means UAE must help build AI centers in the U.S. too. This creates a balance and shows that UAE is committed to working with the U.S. These safety rules help convince the U.S. that it was okay to let UAE have advanced AI chips. Without these rules, the deal might not have happened. This AI campus will change many things in the future. It will help UAE become a tech leader, not just an oil producer. This is a big change for a country that has made most of its money from oil for many years. The campus will help many countries in the area use AI without building their own big computer centers. Countries within 2,000 miles of the campus can use its services. This includes many places in Africa, the Middle East, and parts of Asia. The campus shows that the U.S. is changing how it shares advanced tech with other countries. Before, the U.S. was very careful about letting other countries have its best tech. Now, with the right safety rules, it is more willing to share. The campus might start a new trend of big AI centers being built outside the U.S. and China. Other countries might try to make similar deals with the U.S. or other tech leaders. The campus could help solve big problems using AI. These could be problems in healthcare, climate change, farming, or education. With so much AI power in one place, new ideas and tools can be created. The campus might also change how countries work together on tech. It shows that countries can find ways to work together even when they have different friends and partners. The UAE has found a way to work with both the U.S. and China. The AI campus is not just about computers and tech. It is about changing how countries grow and work together in the future.